students, welcome to e-learning classes. This is your life skill period and we are doing lesson number 4, that is the hidden treasure. In this story, I have already explained you the story. Now today we will read and understand. We will do this and I will explain it. So students, go through the video and watch it carefully. Lesson number 4, the hidden treasure. In this story, I have explained you the whole story. Now after this, today we will learn, read and understand. I will explain you the importance of different work. Different people do different kinds of work. Some are teachers, others are nurses, doctors or accountants. Some work in banks or in factories. Some cook or do the cleaning and the gardening. Some are policemen, firemen, priests or lawyers. Others are tailors, waiters, writers, singers, etc. In our society, there are many peoples and different people do different kind of jobs. Some teach in schools, they are teachers. Other works in hospitals like nurses, doctors, or some do accountancy works. Some works in banks or in factories, and some people serve us by cooking or cleaning or doing gardening work. Some serves us like policeman, fireman, priest or lawyer, and other peoples also help us by doing tailoring work like tailors, waiters, singers, writers. Everyone do their work and help other peoples. So no work is every work has its own importance. We should respect everyone's work. There are some types of work that no one likes to do. These are jobs like sweeping the floor, washing dirty vessels and cleaning toilets. But these are very important jobs. Everyone should know how to do them. It is everyone's responsibility to keep their home and neighborhood clean. There are some works which people don't want to do. These works are sweeping the floors or washing the dirty vessels or cleaning toilets. So these are the works which are very important, and if we don't do this, we cannot keep ourselves or our home clean. So everyone must know these work, how to do this. They must know these works to clean the floor, or they must know how to wash the vessels or utensils or cleaning toilets. These are the things which keep ourselves clean. It is everyone's responsibility. Everyone must keep their home and their neighborhood clean by doing their own job. So these are very important jobs which everyone must know. It is not the kind of work you do that really matters. What matters is that we do our work well and earnestly. We must do our work sincerely. We should learn to enjoy the work we do. When we live together as a community, every kind of job becomes important. We must not judge people by the work they do. We must treat everyone with the same respect and courtesy. It doesn't matter which kind of work we are doing. What really means that whatever work we are doing, we must do it well and with seriously, and we must do the work with truthfulness. We should, whatever work we are doing, we must enjoy that work. If we enjoy our work, then we will get the true benefit of our work. When we live in a community, in a society, every work is very important, and we must not judge people by their work. We should treat everyone equally and respect them, not by their work, but we must judge the people by their we must not judge the people by their work. We must respect everyone. So this is this paragraph tell us, that we must respect everyone's work, whether it is small work or big work. We must treat them equally. So today we have done the explanation of read and understand. In our next video we will do some more exercises. Thank you.